In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello workspace. A workspace is the shared home for your boards, people, and workflows, so creating one thoughtfully will make collaboration smoother from day one. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the hub where you can see all the boards you've created or joined. Make sure you're signed in so the options we need are visible. In the upper right corner, click your profile icon. It's the small avatar circle that opens your account menu. From that menu, choose Create Workspace. That brings up a quick setup form where you'll define the basics. Begin with the workspace name. Pick something clear and recognizable like the team, project, or department it represents. Consistent naming helps people know where to create boards and where to look for them later. Keep it simple, avoid special characters, and don't include sensitive information. You can always rename it later if your needs change. Next, select a workspace type. This setting helps Trello tailor templates, suggestions, and onboarding tips to your context. Choose the option that best matches how you plan to use Trello. If you're unsure, select the closest fit. This choice isn't permanent, so don't overthink it. There's also an optional description field. Use this to set expectations, what the workspace is for, who should join, and how you'll use boards here. A short, clear description reduces confusion for newcomers and keeps everyone aligned. If you don't have the wording yet, you can leave it blank and fill it in later. When everything looks good, click Continue. Trello will create the workspace and take you to its home area. From here, you'll be able to see workspace details, and when you're ready, organize boards and manage members. For now, the important part is that your workspace shell is set up correctly. If you don't immediately see the Create Workspace option, make sure you've opened the profile menu, try widening your browser window or resetting zoom, and look for the same label in that menu. Interfaces can shift slightly, but the option lives in the account menu at the top right. And that's all it takes. You've learned how to navigate to your boards page, open the profile menu, create a workspace, name it, pick a type, add an optional description, and confirm. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step, and once your workspace is created, you'll be set up for smooth collaboration.